The breaking news in comic books today is that Jamie Esrich, the editor-in-chief of IDW Publishing, has quit. He's gone. He's out of there. Off to something new, something exciting apparently. What? I don't know. Maybe we'll find out. San Diego's coming up. That's the kind of time when you find these things out. So, apparently Chris Ryall has been approached. He was the previous editor-in-chief of IDW 2 times before. They've asked him for a 3rd time, and I understand he said no. So, it's up in the air. IDW published things like the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle comics, the Star Trek comics, a whole bunch of other stuff. And I particularly my own particular favourites. But the role's out there. So do you want to be editor-in-chief of IDW Publishing in San Diego? I mean, you could be. You could be. It might as well be you as anybody else. Apply. And if you get in, let us know. It should do okay. I'm not going to apply. Someone did actually ask me this morning. No, I don't think. No, I don't think the industry could take that. Could they? Could they? No. Anyway, this whole story and everything coming out of it was broken by Bleeding Cool this morning. So pop over to that website and take a look.